Now I will explain you how to construct a triangle similar to given triangle in some different situation where numerator is more than the denominator, because the previous was where the denominator was more than the numerator. So first of all, we need to construct a triangle ABC with given base BC is 4 centimeter. So to draw the base BC, we will take the scale and pencil, and on the piece of paper or in your notebook, we will draw a line segment BC taking the length 4 centimeter. 1. At end point B, angle is 45 degree, and at end point C, angle is 30 degree. So with the help of compass, you can make an angle of first 90, then bisector of it is 45. And here angle required is 30 degree. So first of all, a 60 degree and bisector of 60 is 30, where these angles 45 degree and 30 degree meets. Write down that point as A. Here I want to tell you one thing, that in place of angle B and angle C, suppose it is given that angle B is 45 and angle A is 105, then automatically with the help of angle sum property we can calculate angle C. So there should be no confusion, there should be no problem that if two angles are given, then third can also be automatically calculated by using the ASP of triangle 180 degree. Suppose we have drawn BC 4 centimeter. With the help of compass and pencil, this angle at end point B 45, angle at end point C 30 degree. Where these two rays meets is point A. Now the question is, we want to construct a new triangle which is similar to this triangle ABC, whose sides must be 4 by 3 times of this side, the sides of triangle ABC. So again the same, we will draw any ray from here. If we have drawn any ray and we have to see which is more, numerator or denominator, in case of 4 by 3, 4 is more. So I will make 4 parts with initial taking center as B or convenient radius. Taking B as center, convenient radius, mark first arc B1, then B2, then B3, and now B4. Rule is whatever number is written in the denominator, the same part must be joined to the another end. This is 3, so B3 will be joined to the C. With the same approach, we will draw an angle by taking B4 as center, which is equal to this angle like this. And so ultimately this line will be parallel to this, and when BC will be extended, it will intersect this parallel line at a point C dash. In the previous case, when the denominator was more, the triangle was coming inside. Now numerator is more, so triangle will come outside. So you taking the compass and pencil, we have to take the pencil, put at B3, mark an arc, and same mark an arc at B4, cut and get equal angle, so that these lines B3C and B4C dash are parallel. Now at C dash we want to draw an line, a ray which is parallel to CA. So 30 degree angle is this, so we can make an angle of 30 degree. Where this meet this ray of 45, write down A dash. Here we are observing that B3C is parallel to B4C dash, and we can also say that CA is parallel to C dash A dash. So clearly this angle is equal to this angle, corresponding property, this angle is equal to this angle, this is the common. So what we can conclude? We conclude that BC dash A dash triangle is similar to triangle BCA, So this is the triangle which we have constructed in the second, is the similar to the original one BCA, because all angles are equal. We have drawn the parallel lines, methods are very much clear. We will draw the equal angles, and this triangle is bigger one because it is 4 by 3, the ratio is more than 1. So we can say that the ratio may be less than 1 or more than 1, but we have to draw the triangle in any situation. Now we will tell you how to draw the pair of tangents under two or more different given situations.